What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Houseplant Essentials. It's your boy Bryce. How you doing today? I hope you're doing good. As you can see, I'm surrounded by boxes. I'm really excited about some new things that are happening with Houseplant Essentials. Houseplant Essentials is getting a major upgrade here in the near future. I've got new stuff coming in. I've got a new camera coming in. I've got new lighting. I've got a new laptop so I can do new editing. Up until now, I've done all the editing of my videos on my cell phone because I have not had a laptop. So that makes things very challenging. So I'm so excited to do some proper editing on my computer. I'm getting a MacBook. I'm super excited about that. One thing that I don't know if you can tell, there's no cord going to my microphone. I have a wireless microphone, so I can sit as far back from my camera as I'd like and still be heard. Pretty exciting. So one of these boxes is a plant that was delivered today. I wanted to wait to film this until I got my microphone delivered today as well. So this box right here has a plant in it. I actually don't know what it is, so I'm so excited to open this up. But the rest of these boxes, they're gonna get pushed aside here. I'm gonna put these all together. I've got new shelving for my plants. I've ordered new plants, lots of new plants. They're going to be delivered over the next week or two. And I'm super excited to bring this all to you. You all have been so supportive of my channel, until now, and it means so much to me. And I can't believe that I'm getting this opportunity to just continue to make content for you. And I hope that you all like it. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this plant. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box. What is in it? I mean, I know what I ordered, but not specifically what was coming today, which is kind of interesting that I ordered from Etsy, my first time order from Etsy, and I ordered 10 plants. So this will be interesting. I thought that I'd get some sort of notification or email or text message or something before a plant was delivered, but it just came in normal USPS, and whatever, it's here now, so let's do this. So let's just take a knife. I'm gotta be careful about hurting the plant. Hope you can see. Yeah, you can see. Okay, good. So says it's from Tia Jones in Salem, Oregon. So Salem is about an hour south of here in Portland. So that'll be I don't remember ordering a plant that was based in Oregon, but maybe I'm just forgetting. Okay. Oh my God. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I'm riddled with excitement and joy. There we go. Let's take this on out. Oh my God. Okay. I can see green. You all see that? Okay. Oh, I don't want to hurt it. So it's wrapped in bubble wrap, which is good. I've never actually sent a plant out myself. I've only ever just received them. And I'm going to put this up here so you can see it. Very carefully. Oh my God. Okay, I can tell right away what it is. I'll wait until it's unwrapped to announce it. This is a plant that I have been wanting forever. and have not been able to find it locally at like any plant shops or anything. So here it is. Oh shit, I've got dirt all over myself. Oh my god, okay, oh, it's so cute. This is a Mandula pothos. This plant, like literally like what I said, I have been wanting this plant for the longest time. And up until recently, I haven't been able to like trust Etsy, and I don't really have any reason not to trust them, but like I was just very nervous about like the whole buying process, and it was like my card gonna get like swiped or something like that. But anyway, this is a very cute plant. It is so gorgeous. It's got beautiful variegation, and that's what attracts me to the Mandula pothos. These plants are just stunning. So I'll bring this a little closer to the camera so you can see. How beautiful is that? It's just gorgeous. I am beyond pleased. I'm not gonna cry. No, I'm not a crier, but this is a very beautiful plant. I am very pleased with the way it's like stunning. None of the leaves are damaged or anything. It looks beautiful. So there we have it, the beautiful Mandula pothos from Salem, Oregon. Maybe I'll have to like name it Salem or something like that so I remember where it's from. Yeah, what a beautiful plant. I'm like, yeah, okay. Anyway, yeah, so thanks for watching me do that, and I always get like overly excited when I'm unboxing plants. So there we go. What do you know? So yeah, I think I'm looking for my clicker so I can click to the next scene. All right, everyone, this is Salem, the Mandula pothos. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video. Just to recap that Houseplant Essentials, I have upgraded the equipment. You'll start to see new videos over the next couple of weeks. It might be a couple weeks before you see any videos from me. And that's just so I can get used to filming with the new camera. It's quite a new, like a really nice camera. And I have to learn how to use the new editing software. So it might just take some time. Plus, I have to film content. So I'm telling you, it's going to be worth the wait, and you'll really enjoy it. So also, just this plant is amazing. I will definitely give a huge thumbs up to this seller on Etsy. You know, like I said, I was so nervous about ordering from Etsy in the past, but I'm really happy that I did, and I kind of like broke through my fear. So anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and then you'll get notified of new content when it's available. All right, that'll be it. Take care, everyone.